History and miracle of Lalibela. Lalibela, located in northern Ethiopia, is renowned for its rock-hewn churches, which are considered one of the architectural marvels of the world. Here's a brief overview of its history and the associated miracle. History of Lalibela. Lalibela was originally known as Roa and served as the capital of the Zagwe dynasty for about 300 years. The town was renamed after King Gevra Meskel Lalibela, who reigned from the late 12th to early 13th century. According to tradition, King Lalibela was inspired by a vision during a pilgrimage to Jerusalem to build a new Jerusalem in Ethiopia. 1. The miracle of Lalibela. The construction of the rock-hewn churches is often referred to as a miracle. These churches were carved directly out of solid rock, without the use of bricks, mortar, or concrete. 3. The most famous of these churches is the Church of St. George, Bet Georgis, which is shaped like a cross and is considered a masterpiece of Ethiopian architecture. 4. Legend has it that the construction was completed with the help of angels, who worked overnight to assist the builders. This miraculous element has made Lalibela a significant pilgrimage site for the Ethiopian Orthodox Church. 1. UNESCO World Heritage Site. In recognition of its historical and cultural significance, Lalibela was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1978. The site attracts thousands of pilgrims and tourists each year, who come to marvel at the intricate and awe-inspiring architecture. 2. Would you like to know more about any specific aspect of Lalibela? Religious celebrations. Christmas, Jena, brings thousands of white-robed pilgrims. Timkat, Epiphany, features vibrant processions with replicas of Ark of Covenant. Priests perform ancient ceremonies with drums, sistra, and prayer sticks. All-night vigils with traditional chanting and dancing. Pilgrims sleep in church courtyards and caves during festivals. The miracle of the cross. The Afro-Ijiba cross was a sacred treasure of Lalibela. Stolen by a Belgian in the 20th century.